students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Subject is English of Standard First. And the name of the song is Rain. Students, you know that there are 3 seasons: summer, winter and rainy season, isn't it? In summer season, there is a hot sun and the weather is very hot. And in winter, the weather is very cold, and in rainy season we receive rain, isn't it? Rain means barish, right? In rainy season we receive rain. Today let us learn a song on rain. Here, look, listen, sing and talk about the picture. Okay, see this. This is your textbook page of this poem, The Rain. Okay, first we will go through this poem one time. Okay, the rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Here, this poem is about rain, isn't it? Where the rain falls and all that it is given, where all the rain falls, we will see. And this poem is written by Robert Stevenson. Got this? Now we will go through each line. The rain is falling all around means this rain is falling everywhere, on each place. Everywhere the rain is falling. All around means in all places. Okay, the rain is falling. Falling means गिर रही है, बारिश आ रही है. Okay, all around means everywhere the rain is falling. It falls on the field and tree. The rain is falling on field and tree. See, this is a field, khet. Okay, this is a field and these are trees. Can you see here? These are trees and here also you can see the tree. Can you see? The rain is falling on the field. Okay, and it is falling also on the trees. Means it is falling everywhere, isn't it? It rains on the umbrellas here. See, this girl is standing but she has open umbrella. Correct? So the rain is falling on the umbrellas too. And on the ships at sea. You know what is the meaning of sea? Sea, this is sea. S-E-A. Sea. Sea means samundar. And this is ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Ship means jahaj. Means here the rain is falling on the ships at sea. समुंदर में जहाज जा रही है, उसके ऊपर भी रेन फॉल हो रहा है. Got this, students? Means rain is falling everywhere. Okay? This is all about the poem written by Robert Stevenson. Now here, students, we will go through some of the new words. Okay? See here, this is a field. What is this? This is a field. See this, kheti, field. Remember this word. This is a field. Okay? See these are clouds, badal. Can you see here? These are clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Okay? Clouds means badal. Yes, this is a ship. You can see ship at the sea. This is sea, isn't it? Samundar. This is ship. What is this? This is ship. Okay? S-H-I-P, ship. And this is an umbrella. What is this? Chata, right? This is an umbrella. Remember the word U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella means chata. Okay? Look and say. You have to read the given word. Okay, slowly we will go one by one. First one, R-A-I-N, rain, barish, right? Rain. Falling, F-A-L-L-R-N-G, falling. Rain is falling, correct? Around, A-R-O-U-N-D, around, आसपास. Field, F-I-E-L-D, field. T-R-E-E, tree. You know the meaning of field, tree, isn't it? Umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Ship, S-H-I-P, ship, jahaj. S-E-A, sea, samundar. Clouds, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds, badal. For the students, these are different words we can see in the song, that is rain. Right? You have to learn these spellings. Okay? Name the things that you see in the picture. See, this is our picture, isn't it? Rain poem is there. Right? Now here in this picture we can see so many things. You know the meaning of things. Things is nothing but object. Right? We can see different things like umbrella, trees, sheep, clouds, isn't it? We will write them here. First we will start from clouds. Okay, clouds. See, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Next we will write umbrellas. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A-S, umbrellas. Okay. Next we will write rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Next ship. S-H-I-P, ship. Okay. Then we will write trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. Okay. Then we will write field. F-I-E-L-D, field. Field means kheti. Can you see here field? Yes, means here the rain is falling on trees. It is falling on field. It is falling on the ship at sea. It is falling on umbrellas. Got this, students? Means rain is falling all around, isn't it? Next is fourth question. Where does the rain fall? Yes, students. The first line is the answer for this. Where does the rain fall? We will write the answer. The rain falls all around, in every place, isn't it? How to write? The rain falls all around. Got this? Next question is, where do you see the ship? Yes, where do you see the ship? Do you know the answer? Yes, you are right. We see the ship at the sea. We see the ship at sea. Got this? Where do you see the ship? We see the ship at sea. Okay, sea means samundar. Got this, students? And let us sing a song. Rain. Okay, we'll start. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Children, once again we will repeat the song. Rain. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Thank you, students.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.